Let's see what's hiding inside. Aha! Hello, Mr. Giraffe. What color do you want to be? Go ahead, make a pick. I think I want to be orange. Yippee! Okay, let's make this ball of clay flat. Now I will use my roller just like I do when I make pizza. Are you ready, Mr. Giraffe? Here we go. Wow, just look how easy it is, friends. Our Mr. Giraffe needs a little bit of decor. And this is where our giraffe is going to live. Oh, look, I think he likes it here. There is a lot of green grass in this savanna. This is just the right habitat. And what do you know about giraffes? Like me. We have really long necks, and I must say it is not always comfortable. I mean, we do get the sweetest leaves from treetops. But when it comes to drinking water, we have to nearly do splits to reach it. Can you imagine that? The water is very tasty, though. And we're moving on to the next step. Let's see what we'll find in here this time. Huh? It's a spider! Sorry, friends. That spider was so scary. Let me try one more time. Ah! It's a cute little elephant. Very well. Do you want to be a green elephant? No. A white one, maybe? No. Or a blue one? No. Pink? Still no. Then brown? Yes. Alrighty then. You know what we need to do with the clay first. Here we go. And now, it's rolling time. We need to do this really well, friends. Now, I will press the mold with a bit of effort and do this. Let's remove the extra clay. We won't need it anymore anyway. And then we'll get to decoration. Hello, elephant. Hello, giraffe. This is so nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you, too. Can you tell our friends more about yourself? With great pleasure. We elephants love to enjoy long walks with our families. Also, we love to swim in cool water and even take a dive. But my favorite part is when my mommy does this. Feels like a real shower. We've got 2 wild animals already. What is going to be the third one? Oh, wow! It looks like we found a lion. This is so cool! Our lion knows perfectly what color he is going to be. Yellow. We're rolling our yellow piece of clay. This is actually really fun. I am so glad that you are playing with me today, friends. Let's press this on and see what we get. Carefully. Oh, our lion stayed in the mold. Come on, lion, come here. There you go. You are gonna need your beautiful hairdo, which is called mane. Here you go. And this is a matching tail for you. Hope you like it. I am a big and strong lion. They call me the king of jungle, and I like it. Lions are very proud and beautiful big cats. They are not afraid of anyone. They are predators and eat meat. And this is how baby lions look. These 2 cubs are so playful. Do they remind you of kittens? Me too.
Hey there, kids! How are you today? Let's enjoy some ASMR today and play with animals that live in the jungle. Can you guess what this animal is? Also, we'll make these jungle animals shine. Gonna start with the king of the jungle. This animal is the 2nd largest cat in the world. It's a very important guy. We gotta make sure it's shiny all over. Oh, by the way, this animal can sleep or rest for 20 hours a day. Could you sleep for so long? So, what animal is it? That's right, a lion. Next up, a green animal with big and weird eyes. Can you guess what it is? I'll give you some hints. These creatures are amazing jumpers. They can leap more than 20 times their body length. Right, it's a frog. I think you might know this giant. This is the largest land animal in the world. It has a trunk, something between a nose and a hand. This guy uses it for smelling, drinking, grabbing things, and even hugging. The trunk has about 40,000 muscles. That's why it could pick up even a lion. This animal is an elephant. Next up, this animal seems pretty cheerful, right? It's very smart. It can use tools and even solve problems. It talks to its friends and family with different noises and by making faces. So, what animal is it? Yes, it's a monkey! This is our mystery guy. This is the tallest animal in the world. When it grows up, it can be as tall as 3 people standing on top of each other. Awesome, right? And this animal is a giraffe. So we've got 5 jungle animals, all shiny and nice. A lion. Let's check what sound it can produce when we crush it. Huh, it's quite soft, guys. Gonna try to squish its face. A bit harder, but still pretty soft. Let's mix all these colors together. Next, a frog! ASMR time. Shall I squish it completely? I think I'm gonna just mix it all. An elephant. It's a big animal. Will I be able to squish it? Gonna try! It's hard, but I like this cracking sound. The most satisfying. Now the face and the trunk. Mixing it all up. Yay! A monkey! Let's check what this animal sounds like when squished. It's easy to crush. What color will we get if we mix it all together? Maybe brown. And finally, a giraffe. Time for the ASMR check. The glaze is cracking so nicely. Ah, here, it's softer and easier to squish. I'll roll it into a ball. This color is actually pretty cute. What if we mix them all together? What color will we get? I think we must check it out. You gotta be strong to do it. Now mixing time.